What materials were used to build the Pyramids of Giza? The Pyramids of Giza were constructed using large blocks of limestone, which were quarried from nearby areas. The limestone blocks were then transported to the pyramid construction site, using sledges, rollers, and possibly even boats via the Nile River. The limestone blocks were then cut and shaped, using copper tools and methods, such as pounding with stone hammers and chiseling with copper chisels. The blocks were then fitted together, using precise techniques, creating the massive structures that still stand today. Other materials used in the construction of the pyramids included granite, which was used for the interior chambers and sarcophagi, as well as gypsum and plaster, which were used for the walls and ceilings of the burial chambers.